In this video we will talk about the urea cycle. Now urea cycle is also known as the Krebs-Henseleit cycle. Before beginning the actual cycle, let's have an overview about what happens in the urea cycle. As some of you may know that the amino acid metabolism produces free ammonia. Now this ammonia is toxic to the body and it cannot be excreted properly by the body. So the urea cycle is a biochemical pathway in the body which converts the free ammonia into urea. Now the urea is comparatively non-toxic to ammonia and it can be easily excreted by the body in urine. And this conversion of ammonia into urea is known as the urea cycle. A part of the urea cycle takes place in the cytoplasm and part of it takes place in the mitochondria. Now let's suppose this part of the cell is the mitochondria and this part of the cell is the cytoplasm. The urea cycle actually begins inside the mitochondria. The combination of carbon dioxide and ammonium ions produces carbamyl phosphate. This reaction requires 2 ATP molecules and it also requires the enzyme carbamyl phosphate synthetase 1. After the formation of carbamyl phosphate, this combines with the amino acid ornithine and leads to the formation of citrulline. Now this reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme ornithine transcarbamylase. Now in the next step, the citrulline is transported into the cytoplasm. It combines with the amino acid aspartate and leads to the formation of arginosuccinate. This reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme arginosuccinate synthetase. Now in the next step, the enzyme arginosuccinase acts upon the arginosuccinate and lyses it to produce 2 molecules, the fumarate and the arginine. Now in the last step of the urea cycle, the enzyme arginase acts on the arginine and lyses it to produce urea and ornithine. The ornithine is utilized back into the urea cycle, whereas the urea is a soluble compound. It dissolves into the blood and is transported to the kidneys to be excreted in the form of urine. So this was a short description of the urea cycle. I hope you find this video informative. Make sure to share, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.